Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down and find ringtone and alert section. And tap on the ringtone, so the first option. Here we've got some albums from which we can choose the ringtone from. Here we've got also the custom option, so you can enter your own files and set the compatible one as a ringtone. Let me choose something from nature maybe, and to listen how the ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And if you decide that you like it, so for example this one, simply make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked and go back. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here and also here, which means that we just successfully set a new ringtone, and from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.